Dear, I don't care if something cheap or fine. I don't come to Jamaica buy them for house and land. Buy it.
Hi everyone, so I'm back with another vlog today. I just want to start off and say Happy New Year to everyone. It's February, but it's my first time like talking to you guys like for the new year, so Happy New Year. I hope you guys have a very prosperous new year. And yeah, so the Jamaica vlogs are out. I still have like one more to post, but that's gonna be up by the time you guys see this video. Today's Wednesday, February 5th, and I'm going on a little trippy trip tomorrow, Thursday the 6th of February. Just something really quick. You guys are going to see it in the next video after this one. But I'm going back to Jamaica again. Just a quick little trip, like 3 days, me and B. I'm actually like just going to bring my friend's daughter down so she can go and visit her family or whatnot. So yeah, so this video is just gonna be like me prepping and, you know, just doing like shopping and getting some stuff ready and like together. And yeah, so right now I'm at Price Right. My grandmother went in already. You know, she wanna get up some stuff on stuff that she gonna need, because like I'm not gonna be here to like take her around or whatnot, so we just making sure that she have like groceries and necessities, and then I have to get like snacks and juice and stuff for Samari, because Samari's he's not coming. I'm not like taking him from school, and then it's just a couple of days, like he doesn't need to go back to Jamaica or whatever. He's not missing school, and then like that money there could I do something else, you know. So just me and B going. Originally it was just gonna be like me, but B no asked them to know about myself. Now I'm not really gonna say that. I mean, shit, part of it probably is that or whatever, although, but like I want to help like with the baby and bags and stuff, so we just decided to just have him come with me and stuff. So yeah, and I didn't really want to travel by myself anyways. So yeah, we're gonna go into Price right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me throughout this whole day until I leave out tomorrow to go to the airport. And yeah, as you guys can see, I still have my braids in my hair. I was like contemplating, because like I really wanted to like take it out, because first things first, like they worn out now, and I didn't want to like travel like with this in my hair, because I was like, you know, more I'm a nice curly hair or whatever. But then like when I came home from work Monday like 7 o'clock, I was like, I was too tired. And yesterday, I don't know, like the days just like flying by so quick. Like as I got up, drop off Sam, I'm gonna make 2 little runs, and then like at nighttime come already, and like I couldn't manage to take the soda or whatever. So my grandmother was like, why you just go down with it like this at Jamaica and then just have them help you like take it out or whatever. So I was like, I guess I have no choice, because like obviously I can't take this out now by the time I'm on it. So I'm just like, I'll catch you up on that one. I'm gonna have to try and find one bandu, like headband for wear around it. So then hopefully me can get help for Felice on, like I don't know, we'll see. But fly low, like it have to take out so that I can get it done again. So yeah, we're about to go on the Price right now, guys. You want to say hi to my vlog, Jenny?
Hi to the vlog.
Ben can't see you.
Hi to the vlog. I come at the store, but every day you come at the store, it's only gone up for them. What we gonna do? we got to buy, still. But we have to eat, we have to live, right? So we have to go to mackerel. So I'm come back from yard. If me I look sitting me have what? Everything gone up, guys, and the P&I go up. Some love the little biscuit here, so I'm gonna take up some. So you can have. If it was up to somebody, you would have just been bare snacks. I know real food.
I'm gonna get the cheese balls. So what is it? Sunshine snack. I think these are like Trinidadian based. So yeah, 3 on 3. And then I think I'm gonna buy a cookie them. Yes, so I price right versus Walmart. Although I think I still have to go to Walmart.
Why is food different than others?
Huh?
Why is food different?
Two different. You have green plantain chips, and then this one is green banana chips.
Oh. Stop saying banana here. What do you got?
No, no. I hope you guys are still gonna like tune into like my vlogs and that take place up here home versus Jamaica. I mean, a lot of people will say that they still want me to like vlog up here and stuff, but like I said, I only go to work, store, on home. I don't really do much up here, so I don't know. We'll see if you guys will still enjoy the content or not. Cut out what?
The banana, dude.
Here's a little Jamaica section where they have your sub price, right? So they have your brownie, jerk marinade, oxtail season, cock season, fish season, curry. Guys, who the heck buy like that little curry here? They don't look nice at all. Straight better pot meals. And they have mackerel and one bag of butter city. Cheese, fish tea, bully beef. So yeah, reached to my favorite aisle. Cookies. I'm only buying him one, and he said he's only gonna eat 2 a day because I stopped buying cookies for him because he would eat up like 1 whole box. We were there. So I said, make sure when I come back, you still have cookies left. We pick up 2, one for him. I want for Mikayla, Felisa. She loved them, so you know, obviously, I have to carry one for her. So yeah, and I don't think many of us see them here at Jamaica. I don't know. Maybe they say like uptown or not, but I mean Oreos. We'll see. Granny? Oh, she there. I must Gungu. She got, of course. She not Gungu. You find Gungu? Guys, I came in, I put away all the groceries, and I just cooked dinner for everyone. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
So yeah. Good morning, everyone. From yesterday, you know, so I go somewhere, and I'm going to Jamaica again. Quick little trip. Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning.
Yeah, let's catch me.
No, it's good.
Make sure you video Kayla when she reach Jamaica.
Right, should I?
See me, I travel with a journey. Say hi to the people there.
Look.
Me and this beautiful girl. I touched down. Oh God.
You may look so promising.
Yeah, so we're here at the airport, but Spirit not open up yet. We're checking, sitting down with bags and stuff, so we're just here waiting. We have Journey Buggy here. She just look. So yeah, we here. I'll talk to you guys when I reach to the gate or whatever. So yeah. Okay, so we made it through TSA. See Journey here, just look. I'm surprised she not start BAWL yet, because our mommy leave. But I hope she just give me a warm time because she cannot spoil, you know. But see Journey, look. Say hi to the vloggy vlog. So we're on our way to the gate now. We're on the plane. She's sleeping. I hope she stays like this. God. Year in Jamaica. You're gonna see your grandma. Alright guys, so we landed in Tone, so now we're just waiting on the bags them to collect Journey family. Journey, look, Journey. Her family already outside. Nobody knew I was coming, even Felisa. I'm surprising her. Me tell her, I said Journey and her mom are coming. I want her to pick them up and bring her to her yard because she was gonna surprise her mom. That was a little sham. So when Felisa see me outside now, she had a surprise, and you know, one bag of sitting, guys. And you know me, I love doing surprises. Felisa go close and sitting there, but I don't care. But yeah, we're waiting on our bags. This little girl do okay, like 6 out of 10. She cried, and I been getting it for like 20 minutes straight. I was just like so embarrassed, but I finally got her to settle down. She kind of spoiled, not only like her mom, but you know, I'm surprised she just look up and I wonder. Say hi to the vloggy vlog. Guys, I know her grandmother is so excited to see her. But yeah, I'll check back with you guys when we reach outside. Guys, I reach outside. I dropped Journey up to her family. I'm back up on Mikayla.
Full of prizes and surprises always.
But she said she had a feeling that I was coming.
God told me this morning that I'm picking up Kayla.
And she stepped right out to the...
As me put on my clothes like that, I said, Kayla, you go find her. I said, what? And then he just started showing me all I signed him. Like, why would you buy the cookie and then bring it home, not bringing it to Kwana? That was the first sign me get. I said, oh, she's leaving 7 a.m. in the morning, but I have the cookie and I go drop it off. I mean, know you love sleep, and I get up to get up.
Oh, God. I have to go on, it was so hard for me not to post coming in when I fell asleep. But yeah, we're about to put the suitcases in iCare now and head up. And Lynn said no. We have like 2 pillows and a fan. So what are you looking at those rugs for? Oh, so
I didn't want Shanky. I didn't want to have. You have to go get a coat to go marry.
So yeah, and then we all get some food and then we all gonna go up and get settled, spread bed, put up curtains. And Felicia's gonna pull up my hair. So yeah.
Makes sense.
See, if factory pillow them here. 3, 2 for 1. Yeah. I get the ass out to fill. 3,200 for 1 pillow.
What size bed you now?
King. Damn.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't get 2 pillows for $10 or $20.
I don't know why Canon from foreign and afraid of load. So when I come to Jamaica, spend a whole of my own years to Jamaica there. I don't care something cheaper foreign. I don't come to Jamaica buy them for house and land. Buy it.
Can I give you money?
No.
That's probably exaggerate. But how would that fit in a suitcase?
Kayla, you know, I'm back and I put it out there.
No, we don't pack up like that.
Put it in a pillowcase and put your head in a seat.
You can't bring on pillow. That's a piece. Guys, 7,000. Probably a different airliner or something. 7,000 for 2 pillow. Kaka hot. So guys, we reach up at home and I'm in my room. And nice this regular sheet by the bed, but we have we brought down our sheet and mattress protector and stuff, so I'm gonna start out the place, put up my curtains and stuff. Samara, look in here and tell me what you see. Get him out now.
Sorry for that?
Yeah.
Because we didn't want nothing in here.
Don't catch it?
Put them in shirt. Oh God, the pink came out so nice. Is it? It's small.
Yes, I would love to do that. But I don't buy the French and stuff, let me come and set up to me.
So like,
Now go sit up in your seat.
I want here. Yeah, me and the black women. Then one of them will eat.
So I go eat food. We are gonna circle, and then something there.
Get back to you guys.
Do my hair and stuff. So yeah, guys, we're here pulling out my hair. Quarter done. We got the back on this side left. How you feeling, Philly, sir?
I'm feeling okay. Feel a bit faded. Kayla didn't tell her she was coming. Cause she don't want me big or nothing.
Alright, starting from now on, every time when I come, I gotta tell you in advance. I'll tell you. So I'm coming on December 15th.
No, we're going somewhere for the summer.
Alright, we're going somewhere for the summer. And B and my father-in-law here are putting up the curtain rods them. So you have one window here, one window there. The place is in shambles right now, but we have to fix it up.
no man, for your school friend driving down and then get 2 turn out, that ain't good.
Mikayla fix up the room. See the curtains in here so far. She locked them. And then
You better just need to draw.
You are turn around.
Right? Yeah,
Yeah, 1 foot, one part out.
oh guys, my hair we just finished pulling out my hair, so she just like planting a tree. I'm gonna get it done tomorrow. So early night morning. And yeah.
Hey! Can't see how you face in a rough tight your nose, so me have to do it for you. Yeah, me soon gone.
Who talking?
You want that, right? Of course you don't got it.
You can't put me, man.
You don't need no more.
Me?
Oh, Granny. Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah?
She said when China Kelly go, care piece give it.
Look, no. Do
Wait,
this,
what?
Oh,
Care piece I go give Yvette.
Lap it up and people should have bed now.
From me hand?
You let me thank you.
Take your time. Yeah, me always say but me no must do it.
Yeah.
Let me one.
You are Granny. He said in here, but him no must do it.
Me a dream, man. Me a dream. Tell the tomorrow guys say I come. No, you hear me?
Everybody, everything.
No, you not.
What you have, where are you?
Me not done it.
You gotta do the pass, you have this bed?
Let's suppose one time I come, me start this bed and the woman.
Buy one new mattress.
Real? Alright, go up father. Yeah? Alright. Anyway you want if you go, bitch.
Some more.
You say me touch my bitch, me chop this funny, you know? If you have respect in a brother, move man.
Hold on, this is what I lift up over
You
this.
say, say, white girl, then where you going to foreign a bitch? No call me no bitch.
Somebody talking to you, somewhere.
Yo!
I'll be a record.
Yo! You want one, son? Yo!
Guys, so this is what we're working with so far. Curtains put up. They bring down the stand here. And we just have like initials M and S for me and B. So put little toiletries on there, candles and stuff. See that here, we only got 2 pillows. Black I want a little throw. I want a little rub. Obviously the room is not completed or whatnot. You know, we're just here for like a couple of days, so we just got it to where we're like it's livable or whatnot. So like no rush. Like in due time, you know, we have just a dresser, TV, and you know all that stuff, and decoration and stuff. But for the time being, this is what we're working with. And honestly, it's better than nothing. And the greatest thing is now we're up and we have to sleep on something. So you know. So I took off my makeup already, and you know, I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm tired. I didn't get any sleep on the plane because you know I was attending to the baby, and whatever I did sleep, it was probably like 5 minutes, and it wasn't comfortable or whatnot. And the previous night I only had 2 hours sleep. So I'm gonna go to my bed, and then I'm gonna wake up in the morning, wash my hair, and get it done. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do for the rest of the day tomorrow, but I'll definitely let you guys know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.